Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your old Canon DSLR into an overpriced webcam. So let's look into it. So before you click off, this applies to a lot of old DSLRs. So let me double check like the list of like Canon cameras that it applies to. Alright, as of right now, looking on the website, if you have a T-series camera, the latest it goes is Canon T3 and T3i, and in the SL series it goes actually all the way to the SL1. So if you have an SL1, it applies to you. And it also does the T100, and looking at the 90Ds, so now see if it applies to your camera that you are using. So I just recently found this out, and I think it's pretty amazing that you can use your freaking Canon camera as like a webcam. It's like, I don't know, it's pretty mind-blowing because I had no idea that you can do this. And I think this is like a fun way to kind of like troll your coworkers or friends and stuff, just like showing up in like a web, you know, like a phone call web meeting, and then you're like super HD, and then it's just like it looks really fake. Like it looks really fake. So you know, for me, I'm kind of just doing this for fun, but I plan on putting this in like my live streams and stuff like that. Also, I just want to say, like, if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, please subscribe, because currently my ratio of who watches my videos, only 1% is subscribed. So that means 99% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So please subscribe. Show me some love. It is definitely greatly appreciated. So carrying on, it's actually super easy to do. So all I did is, well, I did it with my RP. So my RP has like a USB like C, so it connects from USB-C to like my laptop, and then from there I went into the Canon site, and then I selected in the Canon site where you select like the webcam program. So you either select like Microsoft or Mac, and then from there after you select your model of camera, then you go to the downloads, and then once you download it and install it, I had a hard time doing it at first, but like I had a hard time pulling up the camera because I didn't know like where it was coming up. And you actually just if you're using like a Windows computer, just go to your thing. You can go in like the search bar and then type camera, so it's your camera app. But let's say you're using like a laptop, it's gonna show you probably your webcam camera first, but there should be a little toggle to switch from your webcam to your webcam to your like freaking Canon DSLR. So I'll show that here, like how that works out. And in terms of like in using in Teams, I would say that's something you just got to play around with in your video settings in like Teams, or if you're using in Zoom or Skype. In my case, I'm using it in kind of like a, I guess I would say like a Twitch setting or streaming. So in terms of that, I would probably create like another video of that. But I just want to share, like, dude, you could use this as like a webcam, and it's like pretty overpowered. And it's definitely provides like really great results. Just one thing that I noticed is kind of like a downside is it doesn't pick up the audio. So that's kind of a shame, because I thought that it would be able to pick up the audio from I just thought it would be able to pick up the audio but it doesn't pick up the audio from your like Canon DSLR. So I had like a Rode mic and everything plugged in into my camera, and then I was like, I don't know, I was like, why doesn't it pick up any sound? So it only picks up straight video, so it doesn't pick up any like audio from your from like the webcam source. So it's kind of like a shame, but you know, it is what it is. But that means you'll have to get like an additional audio, like a recording device in your plugged into your laptop. So technically I could just plug my Rode mic into my laptop and face it towards me or something. I don't know. I guess that's how I would do it. But other than that, I think this is great that Canon, like, you know, is providing this for free, and is also going back like so many models, like even to the T3 models. I was surprised that they even had it for the T5 series. So like I can use this as like a freaking webcam. So if you're using like an older style like camera, so like my RP, it uses like a C cable to connect to my laptop. For like kind of like around the T5 series, there's like an HDMI, so you'll need to kind of get like, so if you don't have like one of these HDMI out cords laying around, you'll need to definitely pick one of those up in order to plug this from, you know, your camera to your laptop. So I think it's great that they're making kind of like the newer cameras be more universal and not as complicated. So that is a plus, so good job Canon on that. So definitely help me out, comment. All of it is greatly appreciated. This year I plan on hitting like 1K. I think I'm currently around 900, like 890 is when I last saw it. By the time this video airs, maybe I'm at 900, so maybe not. All right, enough of me talking. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.